Hello guys, do you know you can now design full church flyer or poster or anything on ChatGPT even without you having to do with CorelDRAW or a laptop. Here's how. So what you need to do is open your ChatGPT and type in this prompt and edit your own text inside. Then you include your picture, the picture of the pastor that you want to use, and the picture of the logo of the particular church you want to work with. So now let's make use of the prompt. I've already copied it, so I'm going to be pasting it here. Design a vibrant church flyer for a Sunday service. Blah 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 blah. Deep royal blue with subtle abstract lights. If you are okay with this particular color, you can go with it. So top left corner, white circular church logo containing a globe and cross. Okay, here you can just remove it and put the church logo, but if you are okay with it, you can leave it like that since we are not using any church logo here. So below the logo, the text in all cap and white bold font: Christian Apostolic Church International Family Worship Center. Let me just put Ekiti State left center section, an orange box graphic with bold white uppercase text with pastor. Let me just put my name here. Let me put my name here. Okay, let me just put random name. A smiley well dressed black male pastor in a black suit. So if you have the picture of the pastor, you can remove this particular section. You can remove it and put that just indicates for the AI to include the picture of the pastor that you uploaded. Okay, main title. Okay, this is the concluding part. Okay, the prompt still continue. The prompt still continue. Let me paste it here. So you can see service theme below. Left red capsule, morning theme, Holy Ghost groove. Let me just change it to Holy Ghost service. Holy Ghost service in bold white text. Right blue capsule, evening theme in white fruitfulness in bold text below. Date and venue section. Bold white date 2025. Let me just change this. Venue. Ajoye Ado Ekiti. Let me change the name of the church. Let me just change the name of the church. Holy Ghost Worship Center. Let me just put Christian Worship Center. okay. I think I'm okay with all this editing. Okay, let me change the date to 2026. Okay, I'm okay with it. Let let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's wait for it to generate the image. So it's asking me which image did I like. So let's see the two images.